Are you tired of waiting endlessly while your car is serviced at a repair shop? When choosing the best auto repair in Cleveland, comparison is key. Let's explore two top options: Firestone and Cleveland Auto Repair. Firestone Complete Auto Care is a well-known national chain, recognized for tire sales and essential repairs. While Firestone offers convenience and a nationwide warranty, it comes with hidden pitfalls that might surprise you. Long wait times and higher prices often discourage customers from returning to Firestone after their initial visit. In contrast, Cleveland Auto Repair offers a personalized approach that prioritizes customer satisfaction and transparent pricing. Located at 6211 Cedar Avenue, this locally owned shop focuses on quality, making every client feel valued. Cleveland Auto Repair specializes in luxury brands like Cadillacs, ensuring expert care for your high-end vehicle. With ASE-certified technicians, they guarantee thorough and honest service without unnecessary upselling tactics. Choose quality and care for your car. Cleveland Auto Repair is the perfect alternative to traditional chains.